Yo, welcome in everybody. My name is Sweet Phil. I do kind of general content creation type of videos here on this channel, along with DaVinci Resolve video editing. But here's a content creation type of one. Let's say you're a streamer or you're making YouTube videos and you want your microphone to sound way better. Perhaps you have a fan running, you can hear it. Maybe the hum of your computer fan's running comes through your microphone. You want that to go away. For this, you're going to want noise suppression and a noise gate. 100% every microphone while you're streaming and recording, you want to have this stuff on to block it out. There's a lot of other things you can have on there to make your audio sound even better if you have everything set right, but these are the absolute basics. Kind of a viewer suggestion. There's a few viewers I know that make videos and that stream, and this could really help them out, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it for all you fine people out there. Now, first of all, we're here in Streamlabs OBS, and I will do it for regular OBS. So no matter which one you do, I'm gonna show you exactly where it's at. First of all, right here, you can see the audio levels bouncing. With this right now, if you go ahead and click the gear or right click on audio input and go to filters, the menus look pretty much identical. Click edit filters, and this is where we're going to be adding the things at. Now, this will be blank if you didn't put any filters on here. Click add filter, click the drop down and click noise suppression and add. And also you're going to want to go add filter, click the drop down noise gate and add. I already have both of those on here. This limiter is turned off. I would usually use a limiter at some point, but for right now, we're just talking about noise gate and noise suppression. Noise suppression, you're probably going to have two options. You may just have one or you may have more, but most of the time, I believe people usually have two. You have this Speaks, I suppose is what it's called, RN noise. And I also downloaded an NVIDIA program, but most people probably aren't necessarily going to have this. So I would recommend if you have RN noise, use that one. It really does work the best. If you only have this SPX or Speaks, use that one. It doesn't work as good, but it will help out some. Now, once you have that, you automatically will sound quite a bit better. It blocks out a ton. Now for the noise gate, you can go ahead and copy these numbers. I believe these are good numbers. -38 on the close, -26 on the open, 25, 50, and 150 on the attack, hold, and release times, respectively. So if you do adjust these to make them more or less aggressive of a noise gate, keep them roughly 10 to 12 digits apart from each other. That's what I seem to see that works the best right there. But these numbers are pretty good. You can go ahead and copy them. I believe they will work very good. Now look at right here, the audio levels. Watch when I stop talking. It is dead silent. That is the noise gate and a little bit combination of the noise suppression. I'm going to go ahead and turn these off both and go ahead and watch this. See the audio levels bouncing up right there, that you can see it in the green. That's because I have a fan over here running. You can kind of hear the hiss hum if you turn the volume up real loud, or perhaps even with my voice right now, you can hear it. If you have the noise gate on, when you stop talking, the microphone shuts off and you can't hear anything. It stops recording the audio going into it. That's what the noise gate does, and the noise suppression actually knows what your human voice sounds like. So I'm going to go ahead and snap my fingers a few times. See how it picks up all those snaps? I'm going to go ahead and turn the noise suppression on. It picked up some of those, and when you're talking, I believe it is picking them up right now because it makes it harder for it to detect what is a human voice and what is not. But this like type of AI that's programmed into the software really works really darn good. So that's why you want the noise gate and noise suppression on. Like I mentioned, you can put limiters in here. You can put all kinds. You can put compressors. You can download plugins, all different expanders. You can do all different kind of stuff to make your microphone sound even better. But the bare minimum, you want to have this noise gate and noise suppression on your microphone. Let's jump over to regular OBS and I'll show you how to do it in there. It's almost identical and we can show you real quick. So now over in OBS, it's very much similar. There's these three dots here instead of the cogwheel for the settings, or also you can click on audio input capture over in your sources and go to filters once again, and boom, it'll take you there. Now that we're here, you can see once again, noise gate, noise suppression. I already have them on here, but all you have to do is come down to this plus right here, go to noise gate, and click OK. I'm going to cancel because I already have one. Hit the plus, go to noise suppression, hit OK, and I'll add it to there. Once again, I'm not going to put it on because I already have both of these. Now, the RN noise is already selected. We want that. And the noise gate, these particular numbers, don't copy them right here. The numbers I had in Streamlabs OBS will be much better numbers. These are just generic numbers. I did not actually add these because I don't really use OBS anymore. I used to back in the day. But that's how you go ahead and add that noise gate and noise suppression in regular OBS. If the video helped you out and made your microphone sound even better, hit the like button and subscribe up for future content creation type of videos on this channel. Peace out, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next video.